Hello friends, I am Ahmed and you are watching Korean Pen channel. Today is our second class of Korean grammar video series, and in this class we are going to learn itta, which is used to exist, be and have. In the first picture there is a dog on the chair. We can say Kega. Kega is dog. Vija, chair. Va, on. Isoyo, have. So complete sentence is Kega 위자 위에 있어요. The dog is on the chair. This is informal polite style. And in formal style, this is Kega 위자 위에 있습니다. 있습니다, 임니다, 임니까. This is formal style which is used in news, newspaper, in books and literature. But in daily life, we are using ayo oyo style. Picture number 2. Uri. Uri is we. Chib is home. Shinchon, this is a location. Isayo, have. Uri chibi. Shinchon e isoyo. Our house is in Shinchon. And in formal style, Uri chebi. Shinchon e isamnida. Picture number 3. Namja. Namja is male. Chingu is friend. And ga is a Korean particle. Isayo, have. Namja chingu ga isayo. I have a boyfriend. And in formal style, Namja chingu ga isamnida. I have a boyfriend. The meanings are same but the style is different. One is informal style and one is formal style. For using itta, you must need e and ga for your final word. If your final word ends with a vowel, then you need to put ga at the end. And if your final word ends with a consonant, you need to put e at the end. And then after that, you use itta. And the opposite of itta is opsta. It means if you don't have anything, then you use opta. Itta is mostly used with the directions and locations like up is in front, thi is back, we on, are under, and myth is also under. Yop is side. Udanchuk right. Winchuk left. Kaunde middle. Side between. An is in. Phak is out. So there are some examples like checksang V. The computer is on the table, so we use V. Checksang V. Number 2. Checksang RA. The shoes are under the table. Then we use checksang RA. Number 3. Checksang up. The chair is in front of table. Then we use checksang up. Now the bookshelf is behind the table. Then we use checksang T. Number 5. Flower pot and hanger is beside the desk. Then we use checksang yop. Number 6. The flower pot is left of the desk. Then we use checksang winchuk. Winchuk is left side. Number 7. Checksang udanchuk. The right side of the table. Number 8. Sai. Sai is between. Number 9. Checksang kaunde. Kaunde is in the middle. Number 10. Chib an. Chib an is in the house. Number 11. Chib phak. Phak is outside the house. So there are some sentences. We read all of them to understand itta and directions more deeply. Number 1. Checksang This is desk. VA, on. computer is computer. 있어요, have. 책상 위에 컴퓨터가 있어요. The computer is on the desk. 책상 아래 is under. 구두 is shoes. 있어요, have. 책상 아래 구두가 있어요. The shoes are under the desk. 책상 앞에 is in front. 의자 is chair. 있어요, have. 책상 앞에 의자가 있어요. The chair is in front of desk. 책상 뒤에 is behind. 책장 is bookshelf. 있어요, have. 책상 뒤에 책장이 있어요. The bookshelf is behind the desk. 책상 옆에 is beside. 화분 is plant. 하고 is and. 옷걸이 is hanger. 있어요, have. 책상 옆에 화분하고 옷걸이가 있어요. The plant and hanger are beside the desk. 책상 왼쪽 is left side. 화분 is plant. 있어요, have. 책상 왼쪽에 화분이 있어요. The plant is left of the desk. 책상 오른쪽 is right side. 옷걸이 is hanger. 있어요, have. 책상 오른쪽에 옷걸이가 있어요. The hanger is to the right of the desk. 화분 과 is also and. 옷걸이 사이 is between. 책상이 있어요. So the desk is between the plant and the coat hanger. 책상 가운데 is in the middle. 인형 is doll and teddy bear and other things. 인형이 있어요. The teddy bear is on the desk and in the middle of the desk. 집 안에 is in the house. 강아지 is puppy. 있어요, have. The puppy is inside the house. 집 밖에 outside the house. 고양이 is cat. 있어요, have. 집 밖에 고양이가 있어요. The cat is outside the house. And the opposite of 있다 is 없다. If you don't have, then you use 없어요. Like 나는 언니가 있어요. I have an older sister. 동생 is sibling. 없어요, I don't have. So 동생이 없어요. I don't have younger sibling. Number 2. 자전거가 있어요. 자전거 is bicycle. I have bicycle. 차가 없어요. 차 is car. 없어요, I don't have. So I don't have car. So there are some sentences. 책이 어디에 있어요? Where is the book? 가방 안에 있어요. This is in the bag. 은행이 어디에 있어요? Where is the bank? 학교 옆에 있어요. Next to the school. 한국 친구가 있어요? Do you have a Korean friend? 네, 한국 친구가 있어요. Yes, I have Korean friend. 컴퓨터가 있어요? Do you have computer? 네, 있어요. Yes, I have. At the last, there is a picture and there are fill in the blanks. You can complete these sentences and you can practice this. Keep watching my videos. If you like my video, kindly hit the thumbnail button. Thanks for watching my video. Goodbye.